Hello dear students, today we'll be discussing the last topic of the chapter and the question answers. The last topic is cell division. A cell is very small when it is formed, and on receiving nutrition it grows and reaches a certain size, after which it divides to form two cells. This process is known as cell division, and the cells formed are known as daughter cells. Cell division continues, which in turn increases the number of cells in an organism. As you all know that tissue, organ system and the complete organism is made up of cells. So by this cell division process only, from one cell, two cells are formed, from 2 to 4, then 4 to 8. So it just goes on multiplying, and as a result you can see the whole organism. So this is a very important process that um, is important for the reproduction also, and for the continuity of cells and species. So the next line says this results in the growth of organism also, and the process of cell division is also responsible for healing the damaged or worn out cells in the body. Millions of cells die and are replaced by new cells every second in the human body. So all of you are having millions of cells and many of them are dying every day. But it is replaced by the new cells, and as a result the organism will go on uh, with its functions and survival. So cell division is important to replace the cells and to heal the damaged cells. So this is about cell division. Here you can see that I have marked 2-3 lines on receiving nutrition till daughter cells. This part is given in your book, so you can just write these 3 lines from here or from the book in your notebook. Otherwise you can just go through it, you can just read it. It is not very much important to write it in your notebook, but if you want you can just take the 3 lines which is marked here, and you can write them in the notebook. Then we shall be doing the track your progress exercise now. First one, answer in one word. So first is largest single cell present in nature. It is ostrich egg. So first one will be ostrich egg. Then B, part of the cell that contains all the cell organelles. It is cytoplasm. Because cytoplasm is having all the cell organelles suspended in it. Then state true or false. Cell wall is present only in animal cell. It is false, because cell wall is present in plant cells. Then next one, cell wall is made up of cellulose. This is true, because it is present in plant cells and it is made up of a complex complex sugar, that is cellulose. Then prokaryotic cells do not have nuclear membrane around the nucleus. It is very much true, because prokaryotic cells are primitive cells and they do not have nuclear membrane and well developed nucleus. The nucleus is known as nucleoid. So the next one, track your progress. Dash, fill in the blanks is there. First dash are also known as powerhouse of cell. So A will be mitochondria. Mitochondria is powerhouse of cell. Next is B. Dash are known as kitchen of the cell, that is chloroplast. It is mainly, you can say, plastid, but in plastids also there are 3 types, and the chloroplast is the kitchen of the cell, not the other two. So answer will be chloroplast. C is dash are disc shaped structures present only in plant cells. This is also plastid, you can say, or you can say chloroplast, only present in plant cells, and these combinedly you can write plastids. Then fourth, in plant cells dash are known as dictyosomes. So it is Golgi body which is known as dictyosome, because it is not well developed in plant cells, it is developed in animal cells. So in animal cells it is Golgi body, in plant cells it is dictyosomes. Then E part, the process of dash is responsible for healing the damaged or worn out cells in the body. This we have just discussed, that it is the cell division which is responsible for the worn out, the replacement and healing the worn out cells. So this is the track your progress second. Then we shall discuss now assessment zone. Choose the correct answer. So first is, which of the following cell organelle helps to store waste? So it is B, vacuole, which is used to store waste. Which of the following is a jelly-like substance present inside the cell? It is cytoplasm, which is jelly-like substance and in which all the cell organelles are suspended. And third is, which one of the following is not an example of unicellular organism? See, paramecium is unicellular, amoeba is unicellular, bacteria is also unicellular, pseudopodia is the answer, because pseudopodia is false feet which is present in amoeba. It is not unicellular organism, pseudopodia, it is just false feet. Then fourth, which of the following plastids have green colored pigment? It is chloroplast which is having green colored pigment, chlorophyll. Then fifth one, which of the following is a network of membranous tubes? So membranous tubes are present in endoplasmic reticulum ER, which is of two types, rough and smooth. So this is the choose the correct answer exercise. Then next is answer in one word. So first is building blocks of life. So first one is cell. Cells are the building blocks of life. Then second, a cell bound by nuclear membrane. A cell which is bound by nuclear membrane, it is known as eukaryotic, because in prokaryotic you will lack this type of nuclear membrane. So it is eukaryotic. Then third, an additional wall outside the cell membrane, it is present in plants and it is known as cell wall. So this is the third one. Then fourth, responsible for the heredity characteristics in living organisms. This is gene. Mainly genes has DNA, and genes are responsible for heredity characteristics in living organisms. Then fifth one, longest cell in our body. Longest one is nerve cell. It is present in your brain. So nerve cell. Then sixth, helps amoeba to move from one place to another. That is pseudopodia. So sixth one will be pseudopodia, that is false feet, and it helps in movement of amoeba.